Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and your internet feels slower than what you're paying for, this is for you. A lot of people assume the problem is their internet provider, but in many cases, the real cause is hidden inside Windows settings. There are a few small system tweaks that can hold back your connection without you even realizing it. In this video, I'll walk you through some simple changes that can boost your internet speed after a quick restart. Before we jump into the settings, let's cover something simple but important. Make sure your computer or laptop is positioned as close as possible to your Wi-Fi router. The shorter the distance, the stronger and more stable your signal will be. Walls, furniture, and even other electronic devices can interfere with the signal and slow things down. Now, let's move into Windows settings. First, check if your connection is set as a metered connection. Open Settings. Go to Network and Internet and click on the connection you are currently using, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Look for the metered connection option. If it is turned on and you are not worried about data limits, turn it off. Metered connections are designed to reduce data usage, but sometimes they can also affect performance. Next, make sure your system is fully updated. For that, go to Windows Updates tab in Settings. Click Check for Updates and install anything available. Many times, network driver updates and bug fixes are included in Windows updates. Outdated drivers can cause slow or unstable internet connections, so always make sure to stay updated. After that, open the Gaming section in Settings. Click on Game Bar and make sure it is turned off. While Game Bar is useful for gamers, it can sometimes run in the background and consume resources, which may affect internet performance. Now, let's adjust your DNS settings. In the Windows search bar, type Control Panel and open it. Go to Network and Internet. Then go to Network and Sharing Center. Now click on Advanced Sharing Center. This will open your network adapters. Right-click on your active connection and choose Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. By default, DNS is set automatically by your internet provider. However, switching to a faster public DNS can improve response time. There are two main DNS providers, which are Cloudflare DNS and Google DNS. You can test which DNS works better for you. Open Command Prompt. First, we will test Cloudflare DNS. Here type ping space, and then 1.1.1.1. Then press Enter. As you can see, the average ping I am getting is 8 ms. Now, let's try Google DNS. For that, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. For this, I am getting 37 ms. Compare the average ping results. The lower number means faster response. Once you know which one is better, go back to the IPv4 settings and select Use the following DNS server addresses. If you choose Cloudflare, then enter 1.1.1.1 as preferred and 1.0.0.1 as alternate. And if you choose Google DNS, then add those showing on screen. Once done, click OK to save everything. After completing all these steps, restart your computer and also restart your modem or router. Once your system boots up again, you should notice a smoother and more stable internet experience. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll help you out. I'll see you in the next video.